Okay, so now let's see that in action. The first type of thing you might be asked to do is to actually generate the sequence given by a particular recurrence relation. So let's see a few examples of that. Now here I'm generating a sequence R. So I've got R of n plus 1 and R of n and R naught. So it's a sequence R. That doesn't really matter, but let's go for it. We've got R naught equals 12. So R1 is equal to, well, how do we get R1? Well, R1 is 0 plus 1. So our n is 0. So that's 2 times whatever R0 is, which is 12. Take away 4. 2 12s are 24. Take away 4 is 20. Now R2 is 2 times the previous term, or R1. So it's 2 times 20. Take away 4, which gives us 36. R3 here is 2 times 36. Take away 4, which is 68. R4 is 2 times 68. Take away 4, so that's 136. Take away 4, which is 132. And so there are our first 5 terms. Starting with the term R0, so start with the 0th term, and we've got the next 4. If you go on and generate R5, that's also fine. So that's 2 times 132. Take away 4. It's a little bit non-obvious which one you mean when you say the first 5 terms. Do you include R0 or not? I don't mind. 264 take away 4 is 260. So there's our first 5 terms of that sequence. Let's do a second example, although hopefully you're getting the idea of what we're doing here. So P1 this time is what we're given. So P1 equals 30. P2, so that's the next term, is 0.5 times the previous term and add 5. So that's 0.5 times 30 and add 5. Well, half of 30 is 15, add 5 is 20. P3 is 0.5 times 20, because that's our previous term. So our next term is 0.5 times our previous term, plus 5. So that is 10, plus 5 is 15. P4 is 0.5 times 15, plus 5. Well, that's 7.5 plus 5, which is 12.5. So mainly this is just a process of being okay at arithmetic. You can even use a calculator if you want. That's fine. So 6.25 plus 5, which is 11.25. So each of these, we're just generating a sequence by taking some information about how to get to the next term given the previous term. Pause the video and have a go and see if you can work through this one. So here are our recurrence relations. Our next term is 5, take away 2 lots of the previous term. So pause the video, have a go, and I'll run through the answer in just a moment. Okay, hopefully you've had a go at that one. We had B0 equals 1. So B1 is 5, take away 2 times whatever B0 was, because that's the previous term. So that gives us 3. B2 is 5, take away 2 times the previous term, which was 3. So it's 5 take away 6, which is minus 1. There's nothing wrong with getting negative numbers in this. That is absolutely fine. 5 take away 2 times minus 1. If we do that, that's the same as add minus 2 times minus 1 is plus 2. So that gives us 7. B4 is 5 take away 2 times 7. So it's 5 take away 14, which is minus 9. Finally, B5, 5 take away 2 times minus 9. 2 times minus 9 is minus 18. So 5 minus minus 18, or 5 plus 18, 23. So that gives you a few examples of generating these sequences. There is one more video to watch before you can start doing all of the things that I have set for you to do.